Welcome, little explorers. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of whales, those huge creatures that roam the oceans. Did you know that whales have been around for millions of years, even before dinosaurs? They're some of the oldest and most magnificent animals on our planet. And guess what? We're going to learn about a special kind of whale called the humpback whale. Fun fact about the humpback whale. Hey there, curious minds! Let's talk about the humpback whale, a giant friend of the sea. These whales are so big that they can weigh as much as 8 elephants combined. Wow, that's heavy. But guess what? Even though they're supersized, humpback whales are also super acrobats. They can jump out of the water in a move called breaching. It's like they're saying, "Hello, world," in the most exciting way. Now, let me tell you about their songs. Humpback whales are famous for their beautiful songs that they sing underwater. It's like a big, underwater concert. Scientists think they sing to communicate with each other, maybe to find friends or even a sweetheart. Imagine having a friend who sings to you from miles away. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. Humpback whales are also amazing travelers. They take long journeys from cold places, like Alaska, all the way to warmer waters, like Hawaii, every year. It's like going on a never-ending vacation. And guess what they do there? They love to dance. Well, not exactly dance like humans do, but they wiggle and splash around, showing off their moves. It's a whale of a party. Flippers for high fives. Did you know that humpback whales have really long flippers? These flippers can be as long as 1/3 of their entire body length. That's like having super long arms for giving the best high fives in the ocean. Spectacular showers. When humpback whales come up to the surface to breathe, they shoot out a tall, spout-like spray of water from their blowholes. It's like they're having their own little water fountain party. The spout can reach as high as 10 feet into the air. How cool is that? Whale friends, humpback whales are very social creatures. They often travel and feed in groups called pods. These pods can include family members or even new friends they meet along the way. It's like having a big, watery family reunion wherever they go. Colorful calves, baby humpback whales, called calves, are born dark gray or even black. But as they grow older, their color changes to a more lighter shade, like white or light gray. It's like they're growing into their own stylish wardrobe. Super sensitive skin. Humpback whales have really sensitive skin, just like us. They can feel even the slightest touch. That's why they're so careful when swimming close to other creatures or objects in the ocean. Imagine having skin as sensitive as a humpback whale's. You know, humpback whales are not just big and fun, they are also super important for our oceans. They help keep the ocean healthy by eating lots and lots of tiny creatures called krill. It's like they're the ocean superheroes, saving the day by gobbling up all those tiny snacks. So, there you have it, little adventurers. The humpback whale may be big, but it's also full of surprises. From breaching to singing to traveling the world, these gentle giants are truly amazing creatures of the sea. Wasn't that amazing, kids? We've learned so much about the humpback whale, our big, friendly ocean pal. They've been swimming in our oceans for millions of years, and they're still going strong. So, next time you're near the ocean, keep an eye out for these majestic creatures. Who knows, maybe you'll hear their beautiful songs or catch a glimpse of them jumping out of the water. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the wonders of our natural world. We hope you had a wonderful time with the humpback whale. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates and fun facts about underwater animals. Until we meet again, next time, take care and bye.